Crypto Billionaire 69 back. Listen up, guys, because I have some exciting news. I am running a tremendous deal for this week and this week only. I have put a lot of thought into this, and after seeing numerous beginning students make their first profitable trades and a few top-tier students make 10x life-changing trades, I am excited to announce this no-risk opportunity to all of you beautiful people. In the next 7 days, if you purchase the Learn How to Day Trade with Technical and Emotional Analysis course, then you will automatically be opted into this tremendous deal. What is the deal? Well, I thought you'd never ask. Active immediately after purchasing the course. If you don't make your first profitable trade in 30 days, then you get your money back. I repeat, if you do not make your first profitable trade in 30 days, then you get your money back. That is no risk to you. To make this offer even more sweet, you will also get real-time buy and sell alerts for free. If you are interested in this no-risk deal, I will leave the link in the top of the description so you can purchase the course and get started. Time's ticking. Let's get straight into this Dogelon Mars in-depth technical analysis video. I am super pumped about this. All right, let's get it, guys. Let's get it. So, we have broken these 7 levels. We are seeing some nice retracement to the upside, some nice volume step in. Not too much volume, but buyers are stepping in at this moment as we approach this triple bottom. We have 1 here, we have 2 here, and we are approaching 1 right here. Now, personally, I am waiting, and I am waiting just a little bit longer because I want to see a bigger discount. I want to see this price drop to the 6.3 levels right at this previous triple bottom. Why do I want to see that, you might ask? This is why. Once it drops to these 6.3 levels, we'll have one of 2 options. If it drops and it drops below, then we just wait. And we wait until it comes back down to these 5 levels to wait and see what the price does. Now, let's say it comes down and it starts showing buying pressure again. Boom. That is when you want to average in order to have a nice position size for a really low price. As we drop down to the 2 hourly candles, this is what we're looking at. Okay, all these lines are kind of mumbo jumbo right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get them off the screen so we can understand it just a little bit better. Now, as we can see, we are seeing a little bit of buying pressure right now, but the volume is very low. That means buyers are simply stepping in at this point. There is no war going on. The buyers are simply pushing it higher at the moment. That's what happens when there's low volume. The price can move much faster. And because it is almost 1 a.m., we are seeing some low volume in the markets as of this moment. However, we are still in an overall downtrend in this smaller time frame. Now, it should come up to these 684 levels and show some selling pressure, moving back to the downside in the range that it has continued in. So, we want to watch and see it come down, touch the top as it has before, and break through the bottom in order to get down to these 6.3 levels. Once we see that, then we will watch and see if buyers are stepping in on the 15-minute candles. And if they are, we will average into our positions and watch it make a nice profit. Crypto Billionaire 69. I want to bring the most value to you guys with this course. And after seeing multiple beginning students make their first profitable trades and expert students making 10x life-changing trades, I wanted to find a way to put more of these subscribers on because I love you guys. If you decide to take part in this deal, you will have real-time access to ask me any questions at any time in the day. So click the link in the top of the description to get started. I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe. Peace.